Basic applications of a computer. So when we talk about the basic applications of a computer, here I mean computers have a wide range of application in various fields, and some of the basic application include personal use. So we have what we call personal use. With personal use, computers are commonly used for personal activities such as word processing, web browsing, email communication, multimedia entertainment, social media, and online shopping. So when you have a computer, you can use that computer for your own activities. These activities may include communication, like using email communications. You can use your computer for entertainment. You can use your computer for social media to interact with your friends. You can also use the computer for online shopping, like if you want to buy, for example, you can use something like you can go and buy something from Amazon. Amazon is a retail market which is online, so you can buy anything from Amazon. So with the possession of personal computer, I mean, for with the help of a computer, you can personally use it to communicate using email address. You can communicate using social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. You can go online and do shopping. You can be entertained by accessing various videos, multimedia videos, like on YouTube and other platforms. You can also watch football online. So with all these advantages, they help individually, they help a person, especially if you really want uh, uh, to to make sure that everything is okay on your side. Then the other way we can uh, use computers is via education. So when I talk about education, here I mean computers play a crucial role in education. They are used for research. Computers can be used for research. These are both teachers and students. Both teachers and students can make research, and then apart from that, we can also access online resources. Online resources. We have platforms like Khan Academy. We have Coursera. We have Udemy. We have Skillshare. We have Tebtalks. So all these platforms they provide online resources that they support education, especially the students. So if you're a student and you are looking or you are thinking of where to find educational materials or materials that can help you or support your education, then you have to go online, do research, and then after that you'll get what you want. Then the other thing we can do with education is by using what we call interactive learning programs. Interactive, interactive learning programs. These programs are like softwares together with devices which are interactive, whereby students can, connect or collaborate with other students at the same time. So that enables education move smooth. Then we have what we call data management. Data management is something to very important, which is very important in education, because with this one, students and teachers can be able to manage like their information, their data, and this could be like their lesson plans, their work plans, their every time you have your books, you have your exams, you have to store them in a certain database for you to manage them. Then we also talk about e-learning. With education, we can also talk about e-learning. This is a process of learning online. That's where learning is done virtually. You don't have to sit in class. You don't have to be in class and see a teacher writing. This one is done virtually, where you sit at your home or anywhere with your computer and then connect to the internet. So find the teacher is now doing that virtually somewhere, or the video has been recorded, and then you can go ahead and learn. So that one, it is something so much important. Then we also use computers to make presentations via in universities or in a higher level of learning. You know what I mean. You can make presentations, like you can simulate, you can come up with models which represent certain scenarios and then present them. Then you can also make reports. Teachers can come up with reports that shows how the performance of students is going. So apart from the personal use and education, we also have what we call business. Business is something very important in our lives, and of course, with business, we are so much excited that computers are extensively used in offices for activities like word processing, spreadsheet, email communication, and data management. This support business. This support their business. Like, for example, you can come up with reports. You can come up with reports, worker plan, budgeting, and so on. So with business, with the help of the word processor, with the help of spreadsheet. This spreadsheet help mostly in data analysis, and also in things to do with calculations. So with all this, where you can also come up with models. Uh, so you can use these models, you can use this spreadsheet to manage your business, come up with the budget, do calculation which have no errors. And then you can also do like presentation, and also you can do communication using email addresses. This email can either be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and so on. So apart from the business, we can also use computers to do communication. Communication. Communication is the way a message is the way process of sending and receiving of messages. Like when you send a message to someone and then you get a reply. That is what we call communication. Communication only happens when a reply is got. So communication, I mean, computers enable communication through various channels. For example, we can use email. We can use email addresses. Email addresses. We can use instant messaging apps like social media. We can use social media to communicate. We can use video conferencing. We can use video conferencing. We can also use voice over, VoIP, voice over, voice over. Then we can use other platforms. There are many ways we can use computers to communicate. Uh, either within with our friends, our colleagues, or with our co-workers, or with the different department in the work environment. Like when you're working and you have a network, and so this the primary reason for as to why we have a network is to communicate. We want different departments communicate, and they communicate using all these platforms. Then we use computers to do research. We use computers to do research. We use computers to make research and the data analysis. Data analysis. So we use computers to make research and data analysis. This involves using different tools for scientific research and data analysis. This can help people who are making research to come up with a simulation, process large amounts of data, and analyze complex algorithm and come up with a visual results. So with this type of advantage, which is research and data analysis. Of course, when I talk about this, we mean that you can develop tools. We have you can develop tools, and these tools they help in the help in data analysis, and then apart from that, you can also do what we call coming up with the models, different models. Can come up with different models. These models they help you to make decisions. They help you to illustrate how a certain problem can be solved. Then number six is the entertainment. Entertainment is something very very important in our lives because it helps to avoid boredom. Like computers can transform the entertainment industry. This is through the gaming, streaming movies on TVs, YouTube, and so on, listening to music, editing videos, and so with entertainment, of course, we talk a lot. Talk about multimedia data that involves music and videos, and then animations, and then we'll talk about coming up with website such as YouTube that provide or that support videography. So when you go on YouTube, of course, you get a lot of videos which can help you to like pass time, to entertain you and feel happy, So computers have really played a role. They have transformed the way entertainment industry works, and we are so much glad and so much happy that computers have made our life easier. So the other thing we're going to talk about is what we call e-commerce. So e-commerce, this is something to do with buying and selling online. This is whereby we do online shopping, and all the business involves selling products and services over the internet. The internet facilitates secure online transaction and help manage inventory and customer data. So everything goes like buying and selling, all happens on internet. The buying and selling of goods all happens on internet, and this one it enables people like to get what they want from different areas. You don't have to incur transport, and even when you start a business, like then young entrepreneurs, you don't have to worry about the market because now you've connected to the whole world and you have the market, the global market with you. Then we have what we call healthcare is another application of computers. The healthcare, this is how here we look at how computers have helped in hospitals and the medical department. So computers are used in healthcare to do activities like managing patient records, scheduling appointments, medical research, diagnostic imaging, and monitoring of the equipment. So when you're dealing with healthcare, you can manage records, manage patients' records. You can also do what we call scheduling appointment. Can schedule appointment for patients, appointments. At the same time, you can also do what we call diagnostic by imaging using like ultrasound or X-ray. So all these machines, they are computer controlled, and they help you to image, to diagnose and do imaging so that you can be monitored to know what you're suffering from. So with all these advantages, I must say that computers are so much important to our lives. And there are many other things, of course, we didn't talk about, like graphics and design, like scientific modeling and simulation. There are very many advantages, or there are many applications of computers. So whenever you think of learning how to use a computer, you need to think of all these applications. You can fit anywhere. You can fit in healthcare, can fit in e-commerce, entertainment, education, business. So as long as you know how to use computer, you can apply it in any field, and then everything gonna be fine. So I must say that guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I encourage you to go and subscribe to our channel, Tebtalks on YouTube. Go ahead and see our website, tebtalks.com, and also our Facebook page, still Tebtalks. And try to see how you can share our pages, how you can share our information to the rest of the people, so that we can learn as a team. Otherwise, we love you guys and we thank you. Let's catch up with you in the next video.